What is up, you guys? It's Rissa, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this crimped hair look. It's very beachy, so if you guys want to see how I crimped it, then make sure you keep on watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the post notification bell, and let's go ahead and just jump right into how I got this crimped hair look. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see, I crimped my hair like last week, but I know this is really bad, but whenever I straighten my hair and stuff like that, I use heat pretty much like twice a week whenever my hair is like this for like 2 weeks. And I know it's bad because I'm putting a lot of heat on my hair, but I gotta do what I gotta do. I'm going to go ahead and heat up my crimper, and this is the BedHead Wave Artist one, and this I've had this for like 4 years now, or like 5 years, so this is what I use. I take the BTZ Turn Up the Heat Flat Iron Protection, and I just kind of spray this around my hair. And I like to focus it in this area right here, in the ends. So I like to take one little section like that. It honestly depends on how crimped you want your hair. Split that in half. Just gonna do that, press it for like maybe 5 seconds, and then release, go where that indentation is, press. Let that sit there for a little bit. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. And then let go. It looks like a lot of heat is on my hair, and it probably is really bad for me, but it's okay. But then that's how the hair is gonna come out. You're just gonna repeat this step. And like I said, this takes a while depending on what you like. And do this section. And if you do bigger sections in this, you can actually make it work. Just leave it on for a little bit longer. I usually leave it for like 5 to 10 seconds. If you want to use hairspray, you can. I only use oil, and that's about it, just because my hair is straightened and I don't want to put extra like hairspray on it. I recommend you just putting some oil in and putting a bonnet on your head at night when you go to sleep. I'm gonna crimp at the eye, let that sit there for a second. Go like this. These are the crimps. I love this hairstyle so much. Like, I don't know what it is. It makes me feel like a baddie. And I'm obsessed with it. So now we're gonna go ahead and go on to the other side. Like this, just comb it out. And go ahead and start. I just finished crimping my hair. This is what it looks like. I get my little pick and then I'll just kind of pick out the top of my head. So I'm just gonna kind of crimp around and find what needs to be crimped more. And that's pretty much all I do. I just kind of find pieces around my head that needs to be crimped longer. So I'm gonna take this argan oil and just get a little bit and go ahead and rub that throughout my hair. So I love this natural beachy vibe going on. I feel like it just really looks very natural. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give a thumbs up. If you guys want more hair tutorials or anything like that, please comment down below. I can definitely try to do some hair tutorials. Thank you for watching and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.